Apparently, one of the most essential appliances in my home was installed during the Bush administration, so it really shouldn't be a surprise that it finally shit the bed last week. A professional quoted me $200 just to install the new one. Most people would just bite the bullet and pay for it since it's outside the average person's skill set. But I am not most people. I am delusional, and I also have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna do it myself. So it's been a while since I have seen you guys in this kitchen, and since the last time we were here, we went from everything in here being functional to there's one thing that is no longer functional, really, at all. Now, the non-functional thing in question happens to be this dishwasher. Unfortunately, it doesn't work anymore, or at least not properly. So I don't know how to change out a dishwasher, but we're gonna do it anyways, because what's the worst thing that can happen? Probably electrocution and maybe some flooding, but oh well. So the first thing I have to do is access the breaker here, which Kirby hates when I do this. He always starts to, he's probably gonna do it. He starts to protest a little bit. What's wrong? So there's a lot that's wrong with this dishwasher. The handle is broken on it, like the thing to like open the door. There's several of the peg things, whatever they are, that are missing. And it's just perpetually stained on the outside. It really doesn't matter how often I clean it. It is permanently stained on the front. And now, to be completely honest with you, that is all stuff that Tim and I were willing to look past, especially considering the fact that we are both on a budget here. The thing that made us finally decide to get a new dishwasher was the fact that it just stopped kind of working altogether. And what I mean by this is we would turn on the dishwasher and then it would cancel it and then say rinse only. And then sometimes when we would try to turn it on, none of the buttons would work. Like it just wouldn't turn on at all. Like the thing wouldn't light up, and it's just like you would have to wait 6 to 8 hours to try again. So at this point now, it's just not functional. I'm having a hard time getting down here. I have no idea how these big sweaty guys do it. You know the ones, your repair guy, they're always like big sweaty guys for some reason. Ew, it's wet. Why is that wet? I did see on the Google that you're supposed to pull out this bottom thing first, this like little skirt shoe thing, whatever it's called, so you can like access your panels and whatnot. Though I don't know why this isn't. Why aren't you coming off? Hello? Okay, first thing off successfully. So I think that this thing is hardwired, unfortunately for me. Or at least that's the impression that I'm getting from this because of this thingy. Yep, unfortunately for me it is. Very cool. Yay, would you look at that? So I thought I was recording, but I didn't. I ended up pulling the caps off. And honestly, I probably should have checked to like double check to make sure that this was off with like a voltmeter. But in the process of me pulling off the caps, I touched the wires anyways. So, and I didn't get shocked. I'm pretty sure that it's off based off the fact that I didn't just get electrocuted. All right, so it's black on black and then white on white and then this green thing that gets like secured in there. I feel like maybe I should have done more research before doing this, but oh well. If everything connects back where it should be, then it's going to work, or at least I assume so. And if it doesn't work, then Tim can fix it. Now I think I have to do something with like the water line or something, so that's gonna be under here. And yes, I have stuff under my sink because I'm a normal human being. These videos online you see when people are like, this is how you do this. They always open like underneath their sink and there's like nothing in it. And I'm like, what are you, like you're wasting storage. Also, I don't know a single human being that's not a complete psychopath that doesn't have stuff under their sink. I don't really know what the this is. That's going in recycling. I see this line here and it's connected directly to the dishwasher. So I'm just gonna shut it off because I assume that that's what you do in this situation. Okay, and then I'm seeing another black thingy. Do I have to pull out all my stuff? What would appear as though I do. So this hose goes up here. That might be our airline. But like, I don't think I have to take it out. Okay, well, in the meantime, I think we should probably just like push all of this over because I can't pull out the dishwasher if the stuff's in the way. So I do know that apparently I'm supposed to unscrew stuff over here. Leave that there. Okay, so should I like be able to wiggle it out now? Like, okay, I'm gonna do all good installation people do. I'm just gonna tug on it, and if it doesn't wanna come out, then I'm just gonna start disconnecting more shit. But we're gonna start there. So this is Rose versus the dishwasher, take 1. Oh, there's more screws, hold on. All of these screws are different sizes and shapes, so I am now on my 3rd drill bit. This is Rose versus the dishwasher, take 2. Now that we've removed some more shit. Oh, I hear a wiggle. Oh, it's coming out, it's coming out. Oh, damn it, maybe I should have moved the rug. If you could just... This is Rose versus the dishwasher, take 3. Starting to feel a little bit of resistance here. Can't see what's connected to what. So this dishwasher is officially not moving anymore. I'm gonna disconnect this red one because, I don't know, it's there. I just wanna go about doing this in such a tight space though. We're just gonna see if I can't disconnect it from here. I know that this is ass backwards, but you know what? If it works, can't tell if this is the water line or not. Everything in a dishwasher is wet. And aren't water lines supposed to be like those metal things? Like the ones that they have that like metal mesh. Haha! Disconnected. Okay. Rose versus the dishwasher, 4? 4. We're getting somewhere now. Oh, I'm feeling some resistance. I think it's this. No, fit through. Come on. Don't be a little bitch. Rose versus the dishwasher, take 5. I think new dishwashers come with these. Oh, that means I probably have to disconnect it. Okay. Okay, it's okay, it's fine. Okay, so unfortunately for me, I think that this means that I need to get back under the sink. Now, I have not been down here since the last time, but I didn't think I'd be back here again. Not a fan. Oh! Being down here, I'm getting like war flashbacks. I definitely was not a plumber in a previous life. Ow. I think it's time for a hand screwdriver. Why can't anything in this process be easy? Some shit got in my face. I don't know what that was. I got it. Go through the hole. You know Snoopy, when he's like on top of his doghouse and he's pretending to be the Red Baron? That's me with this sink. This sink is like my doghouse. There's a whole storyline playing out here in my head that I don't think you guys are aware of. This is Rose versus the dishwasher. Take, is it 5 or 6? I think it's 6. Take 6. This thing just broke. All right, I think the dishwasher is officially out. I've just gotta wheel this hunk of shit out of here. Please don't cause me any more problems than you already have. It's just shooting old hose water all over the place. Amazing, okay. Well, now that this busted hunk of shit is gone, now it's time to put in the new one. What's this one?
Well, how do you open it?
I don't know. Are we? Okay, that's way too hard to open.
That's way too hard.
Look at this though.
Ooh!
I like this.
Does it have any games on it?
See if you can't pull up a game.
That's nice. You have a whiteboard?
Tim, we're here to look at dishwashers. Well, you could check the attitude. Okay. I think this is the only dishwasher that they've got.
Works like a charm.
Yeah, it works real well. Okay, at least this one has a handle.
Yeah.
We're starting out strong with that. At least we can open it, unlike the other ones. Oh, it's got a third rack.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of the third racks.
Yeah, me too. We should get one with that.
Yeah.
I like it, but I kind of want it to not have a handle. How do you open it?
But the other ones were kind of a nightmare. Do you mean like a built,
I don't know.
like something built in so that
Something, but this doesn't. I don't know. Found the mother load.
We have found more dishwashers. There's this has got like a stiff door though. I don't really like that. I don't like that that's stiff.
And that's way too expensive
Do
for a
they have
dishwasher.
Samsung over here? Because we have Samsung appliances.
Ooh, Samsung. They have this one. Buttons on the top.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah. Third rack. Ta-da.
I like that the design of this isn't as aggressive. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, that's easier to open. It's not so stiff.
Yeah.
Save $340. They're on sale.
Yeah?
I like the Samsung one.
Yeah, I kind of do too. It's on sale. And it's priced well.
Just want to get it.
Yeah, I feel
All right. Well, that was surprisingly easy.
it. Easy decision.
So that styrofoam did not make a good noise. So this is the dishwasher that Tim and I landed on because we got a good deal on it. So we gotta unbox it, but it's gonna... Hold on, I need scissors. Ah, it had static electricity in it. Now I just don't know how to get it off of this big piece of styrofoam because I can't just pick up the whole thing. Kirby, can you pull the styrofoam out while I lift this? Why? Why would you make this so difficult? Okay, get out of here, please. Okay. Get out of my way, please. That was a lot harder than I thought it would be. Please don't choose violence today. So this is that air line thing. I'm just gonna shove it back through that same hole. Okay, so I ended up having to take a break and walk away from the whole thing because I realized that I was missing key components to put this dishwasher in place. I swear to God, there's a mosquito in here, and I'm like, they're so hard to catch. They're like move and like, I don't know. They move like they're swaying with the wind when there is no wind, and it's like, makes me feel like I'm insane. And then I actually spot one and then I kill it, and I'm like, oh, so I'm not crazy. Anyways, so Tim came home with this. It is a dishwasher replacement kit, which I didn't know you needed. I think it's a little ridiculous that the new dishwasher doesn't come with one. Like, it doesn't come with a water line. It doesn't make any sense to me whatsoever, but okay, cool. Okay, so this is, oh, that's so much water. Okay, this is the old water line. It is outdated. They used to apparently apply those a long time ago. The red stood for hot. Unfortunately, this style of hose cracks a lot, so it is advised to just get a new one. And man, let me tell you, removing that old water line, that took me forever and a day, all by myself. Had no help.
Need help unplugging the water pipe?
No, I did it all by myself.
Well, then can I have my wrench back?
There is no your wrench, honey. It is our wrench. I can't seem to get this water line back on.
It's almost like somebody needs help.
Tim, can you help me?
Ah!
I've tried both directions.
So we haven't tried the right direction.
Tim, shut the up. Oh wait, I got it. I got it. How did you do this?
I stared it squarely in the eyes and I said, listen, I got shit to do.
Okay, that was a touching story. How did you actually get it off? Piece of shit.
Have you talked to it yet? We have tried having a conversation with it?
No, because it's a little bitch. Oh, I see what you're talking about. Okay, so now that water line is in there, which is great now, now I can connect it to the dishwasher. Okay, I think I got it on there. That wasn't too bad. Okay. So now that I'm fairly certain everything's hooked up properly, I can get this under here. Jesus. Okay. Now that I'm fairly certain everything's in place, it means that hopefully I should be able to just put the dishwasher into place. Please just work. Now I have to go back under to attach the air valve. To whoever said this was gonna take me like 1 to 2 hours, you can go f yourself, because this is taking me all damn day. Okay, that better work. Water line's on there nice and tight. Okay, finally time to run it. 6 hours later. So it is the moment of truth. We have to see, oh, there's still foam in here. Hold on, we gotta pull all this out before I turn this on. Oh my God, there's instructions in here? Too late for instructions now. It's the moment of truth. Do you not work? What the f? Tell me I didn't just do all that for some shit that doesn't work. Oh wait, I didn't turn the switch back on. Okay.
Is it like a button?
Yeah,
or
it
do you
doesn't.
just touch it?
Maybe hold it down.
Oh, it sings.
It's talking. Okay. It's communicating.
It's communicating. Yeah, normal, heavy. What's delicate?
I have no idea.
Express 60 pre-blast.
2 hours, 22 minutes. That's it. I was supposed to film this a couple days ago. But when I went to film it, I was like, oh, the old dishwasher was full of dishes. Yeah. So I was like, whatever, like no big deal. I'll just run it. It took 4.5 hours.
Wah, wah. Oh, you can still read it. Yeah, and a light.
Is it even on? It's on.
That's so quiet.
I would like to point out the fact that I just successfully changed out a dishwasher by myself. When I
You
had
want to try that again?
What do you mean?
You needed my help.
Oh, when you unplug the water line?
Yeah.
Okay, like I said, by myself.
I don't even know why I'm in these things. You don't even acknowledge that I'm here anyway.
Of course I do. I push buttons. Okay, it's definitely on now.
Yeah. I don't know if you can hear it. Hold on. It sounds like a gentle rain.
That's genuinely so quiet. All right, well, we'll have to come back to it.
Yeah.
See if it does the things. But I'm impressed.
I am impressed. Oh.
Against all odds, it works. Did I know what I was doing? No. Did I still somehow install it with sheer willpower, YouTube tutorials, and minor emotional damage? Absolutely. If you enjoyed watching me battle both my kitchen and my own overconfidence, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, especially if you've ever fixed something that you had no business fixing. If you're interested in videos like the one you're watching now, then this video here might be worth a watch.